The garden itself was put here in order to give students an idea of where their food comes from and to give them the opportunity to learn to grow food. And this is a community hub. As you can see, there are community members, there's staff, faculty, and students who all come here. So it's also a place for us to gather and to celebrate.
I think the most rewarding part for working in the garden was seeing how the community interacted with the garden. Even just students who wanted to come out and volunteer and learn more about how to garden. You know, I feel like we all have a general idea of like, oh, again, you plant a seed in the ground and then it grows, but exactly how many steps goes into taking care of these plants and all the precautions and procedures.
So every semester I hire 4 students in the garden and we go from A to Z, from seed to harvest to cooking.
I would just say overall the whole garden experience was very memorable. Just getting to work with Janice, I really enjoyed my coworkers as well. We all had a lot of fun.